right, so in this video, we shall be showing you how to actually do deposits in your coinW. So after registration, the first thing you want to do is to actually download the app. All right, so you just have to go to your Google Play Store, or if you're using Apple, all right, if you're using Apple, you can just go to your Apple Store and you put coinW. All right, when you put coinW, you're going to have the logo like this, coinW. For those who are using Android phones, you see something like 5th anniversary. I'm actually using the Apple cell phone, so it's not the same like in it's not the same like in Android, right? So in the Android phones, you see something like 5th anniversary written on it. But here, I just have it like this, coinW. You can see the logo here, coinW. And you log in, right? When you download the app, right, you log in with the same registration information. And once you go in now, when you log in, for example, you go to the home page. And when you go to the home page, you might want to do your verification, which you can always do later, all right? You can always do your verification later just by going to the top right-hand corner here, all right, to the top right-hand corner. And that is the profile area, okay? You have the profile area. And you can do, you see verification, sorry. You see your UID number, okay? Your UID number, your email address, and by the side, you see advance. This advance is actually my verification. I've completed my 2 verifications. So we have the primary identification, and then we have the advanced verification. Okay, you can always do that now, or you can actually do that later. So here we actually do our verification for those who really want to do that. With the passport, it's very, very easy to carry out your verification if you're using a passport. So guys, in the next video, I'm going to show you how to do deposits in your coinW account.